will give the nation, and the nation will get the benefit and feel the benefit of this kind of internship after 5 to 10 years. And the interns who have completed today their 6-month journey, I strongly believe that they can feel their distinction, differentiation, their quality than that of their other fellow classmates or students. Don't you think so? Interns, don't you think so that you have learned so much in last 6 months, which your other friends missed and could not gather such kind of experience and knowledge from Supreme Court lawyers and Supreme Court cultures and practice. It is a moment of profound personal and professional satisfaction for me to stand here by today. When we first envisioned this program during my tenure as the 17th Attorney General, it began as a pioneering pilot initiative designed to bridge the gap between academic legal education and the complexities of public sector practice. This program is the first of its kind in our nation's history. Today, seeing the graduation of our first cohort and the arrival of the second, I see that vision transformed into a national priority. For your kind information, I just spoke to the Honorable Prime Minister on the other day in the Parliament that we want to introduce such kind of internship program in the Parliament, so that one intern should be assigned to every members of Parliament to do their research work when they will go for Parliament debate. That has been discussed with our Honorable Prime Minister. That is in our mind as well. For too long, there has been a gap between the law in books and the law in action. This program serves as the bridge by bringing the brightest graduates from premier institutions, including Dhaka University, BRAC University and North-South University, into the heart of our constitutional machinery. We are building a pipeline of lawyers defined by both excellence and ethical leadership. Our partnership with UNDP Bangladesh, formalized through a Memorandum of Understanding in December 2025, ensured that this was not a fleeting experiment but a permanent pillar of our justice sector. For your kind information, in the recruitment process, we have not made any room or kept any room to pick and choose. The university will give us on merit basis, and that's the way we thought about that. No pick and choose should be given, no tadbirbazi should be given here. So in that way we have started here. To our 25 outgoing interns, you are the pioneers. You have spent 6 months in the office of the Attorney General, an office established under Article 64 of our Constitution as the principal legal advisor to the state. You did not just observe, you contributed. Your research reached the highest levels of judicial discourse, including the historic 13th Amendment hearings. You have studied international humanitarian law in Cox's Bazar and engaged with the future of digital justice. As you step into your careers, let me share a reflection from my own life. When I began as a junior to the legendary Syed Ishtiaq Ahmed, I faced the same pressure you will feel, the way of complex cases and high expectations. I learned then that the soul of your professional life must always be grounded in 3 things: the Constitution, our professional code, and unwavering integrity. You will face moments where the easy path is tempting. I urge you, never compromise your justice. If your integrity remains intact, the rule of law in Bangladesh is safe. I must take a moment to welcome the deans and faculty members from our leading universities. We are joined today by the leadership of institutions like Dhaka University, BRAC University, Rajshahi University, Islamic University, Chittagong University, IUB, and North-South University. You have perhaps the hardest job of all. Long before these interns reached the Attorney General's office, they were in your lecture halls. You didn't just teach them status. You taught them how to think, how to question, how to speak, how to seek the truth. We are the beneficiaries of your hard work, and the state is stronger because of the caliber of graduates you produce. Please join me in our educators.